Today I share with you how I cook this catfish pepper soup with plantain. So guys, there is something I add on this pepper soup that got me worried. You can't wait to see what I add on this pepper soup. To begin guys, I'm going to be cutting this catfish. So this is the catfish I'm going to be using. I make use of one, then I cut that into 5 equal size like this. So after cutting everything, I'm going to transfer that inside this bowl. So here is the bowl. I transfer all the fish back inside this bowl. So before you proceed, you have to first of all wash the catfish with hot water or lemon. So now I'm going to be washing that with this hot water. The water is so boiled. So all I do is to use this spoon to make sure that I wash that dirty out. So that is the dirty you don't need. So first of all, you have to wash that with hot water before it can be useful. So I make sure that everything is washed, and after washing the fish, I have something like this. It was so nice, and at this point it's ready to use. So what I do now is to take that and transfer that inside this cooking pot. So if you're cooking anything fish recipe, always try to use big pots, like that is white pot, so it's going to enable you to get that cook. Add that everything there, then I'm going to be needing hot pepper, onions and red pepper. So I get that process like this. So blending this, you don't have to over blend that, just process it like food processor is going to blend roughly like this. So after blending that, I'm going to transfer that inside the pot. So I will not transfer everything at this point. I'm going to leave 1 or 2 spoons and keep it aside. Next, I will be adding pepper soup spices, Maggi seasoning and salt to taste. So that is pepper soup spices, and then add everything, adding water that will enable that to get cooked for 20 minutes. All I do is to cover that for 20 minutes to cook. So 20 minutes later, this is what I have. At this point, it has boiled so nice. So what I'm adding now is plantain guys. So I'm going to get this enjoy with plantain. Already washed the plantain. All I do is to just add that inside the cooking pot. So let everything to cook together. So after adding all of it, I have to get that stirred, then cover that again for another 10 minutes to cook. So guys, at this point, let me show you what I add on this pepper soup guys. So guys, I'm going to be adding bitter leaf, like bitter leaf on this pepper soup. Hey hey, my people, have you tried this before? Have you ever had bitter leaf inside your pepper soup? So guys, this is assignment to you, because we sometimes we overthink some things without us not trying. Like nothing but try guys. This is me adding bitter leaf inside pepper soup guys. Oh my goodness, I can't say this, like you have to try this. This is me adding the remaining pepper. I'm going to give this the final cook. So 5 minutes of cooking that, this is what I have. At this point, my pepper soup is scenting as if there is not like something is going on in this compound. Like this is scenting so amazing, and it cooks so nice. My people, this is assignment to you. You have to go and try pepper soup adding bitter leaf inside this pepper soup. Don't add scent leaf this time. Go and add bitter leaf and see what you are going to get. This is so delicious and it tastes so amazing. This pepper soup is everything. All you have to do guys is to share and follow this process. I love you. In my next one, bye.